Guys, hello everyone. Crypto Interest is with you. Right now, a daily Bitcoin review, and also give a comment on Trust Wallet token. I'll tell you how to trade today to get the maximum profit on the market. Short, very helpful video. Today I will give a comment on TWT. There are several very important points. I know what you are waiting for. Tomorrow we have critical data coming out on US jobless claims and oil inventories. So the market can shake. Plus, yesterday Bitcoin again dropped to the level of 15,400, so now we will figure out how to trade further. So, today I'll show you some of the most important things that I haven't shown for a long time. First, look what happened to you yesterday. In fact, Bitcoin went lower. If we look at the daily timeframe with you, it looks just extreme and scary. But, nevertheless, I will tell you how I plan to trade here further. I literally just fixed a small part of my short position, and for now I'm going to keep on. And I'm going to hold the position right up to this level. The only question is whether I will take more and what to do for those who still do not have a short position. Now I'll tell you everything. Move on. At this point, it looks like we'll be heading down further soon. Look, if you and I are looking at the weekly time frame, there is, in fact, nothing holding us here. Of course, we have some local levels that are visible on the daily time frame, and, in fact, we have them marked as usual. And the next level of us is 13,700. Why, again, am I not taking long positions from 15,400? Here is a good example. Take a look. Yesterday we updated the LOI. Although a little, but we are gradually trading this level, and by the time we get to it, we can easily just fall through it and go lower, because we have already almost completely traded it here. The volumes are getting smaller and smaller. Let's move on to S&P. Look at the S&P, we are standing here, at this level, and I'm still waiting for the S&P correction right here. In what case can we form a structure here and go higher? In a situation where, well, just some crazy positive on the market, I don't even know what should happen, but nevertheless, some kind of super positive. I don't expect it, given that we have a meeting of the Federal Reserve, the next rate hike is only in a month. Actually at the pre-market, we are also flat, nothing happens. Keep in mind, by the way, many economists are now saying that this pre-New Year's Santa Claus rally is what they say before the new year. As if it had already worked out, as if this is the rally that we saw last week and the week before last on S&P, it seems to be potentially possible to consider that this was precisely this New Year's Eve rally. Therefore, no positive is expected. But, keeping the World Cup in mind, here is this hype, and we can still see some positive, but nevertheless, now, as I told you, I look only at technical analysis, so let's move on, I will show levels. By the way, let's take a look at the dollar index with you. Look. The dollar index hit some local level right here. Now, again, here we can see some kind of working out and a further hike higher in the range from 109 to 110. Accordingly, for Bitcoin, let's immediately show. If you are completely out of positions, potentially, when the Bitcoin court comes, part of the short position can be typed here. But, keep in mind that since the level is small here, we can go even higher, right here. And then, again, here it will be possible to increase the volume. But not the fact that we will come here. Therefore, in general, ideally, this is how to break the position into two parts, wait, and then go down from this position. If we talk about some even more positive, well, here is a maximum of 17,300, this is something where we can go. But again, it should be some kind of positive, I don't know about S&P, some kind of positive for the crypto market. I'm just looking here and I don't understand what's going to happen. And if we are talking with you about a trip to 19,130, this is a bit much, you and I were raining like that, raining, and from the current values, do you know how much? From current values, this is 22%, a hike to 19,130. That is, it's just huge, there must be some kind of impulse, so everything looks super short. Accordingly, I am in short positions, up to 13,700, we will continue to look at the situation. But globally, as I said, sooner or later we will come with you to a range of about $9,000 to $12,000 per Bitcoin. In general, I'm interested in your opinion regarding your emotions on the topic of the market. How are you in general? Stress, panic, or vice versa? Feel positive that a bull run will begin now? Share your opinion in the comments, it's interesting. By the way, I want to show one more important point. Remember, I showed you, a long time ago, a graph of Bitcoin dominance and drew this base. Look, we are actually trading at the lower border and in fact we need to go here. In order for dominance to grow, we need the market to fall, for altcoins to fall, and accordingly, when Bitcoin falls, money will flow into Bitcoin, it will be bought out. And, in fact, when we go here, then we can sort of fly upstairs and actually get some kind of distribution for Bitcoin. So, in general, in terms of dominance, we are also waiting for you to move to the upper limit, which, in fact, will again be associated with a fall in Bitcoin. Tomorrow, globally, one way or another, I expect volatility, although maybe tonight it will be in anticipation, so keep your finger on the pulse. Now let's move on to TWT. So let's have a quick TWT, I won't waste too much time. Look, right away on the weekly timeframe, because on the weekly timeframe we are just forming a structure, it is not there yet. Now let's take a 4-hour timeframe. Look, we went up with you, actually corrected further, then we came to this level, took it away, and now we are going down. Actually, I'm still waiting for a correction. We have one long TWT level, from 1.70 to 1.72, this liquidity is marked in yellow. But, nevertheless, we can generally see some kind of weak rebound here, and if Bitcoin goes lower, we can generally pass this level unnoticed. And, interestingly, if we pass it, we confirm it from the back side like this, then we will continue to pour down. And as I said, according to TWT, the level below is 1.17, from where I will buy it again. When Bitcoin corrects, TWT is 99% likely to go there too. Well, in the end, I'll remind you about Bitcoin just in case. Actually, for Bitcoin, short levels are marked on top, keep in mind that the price may go higher, so put stop losses for liquidity, for all liquidity, respectively, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 short levels. A long level, we have the only strong level for me from below, it is 13,700, from where it will be possible to watch long positions and fly somewhere further. That's all guys, that's all you need to know for today to get the maximum profit in the market. And the most important thing for me is your support, so subscribe to the channel right now, be sure to turn on notifications so as not to miss the latest releases, and of course, put the maximum likes, because your likes are food, energy and motivation for me, which makes me shoot every day and keep you updated. I also want to remind you, this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. I am not a financial advisor. Bye everyone.